In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch language on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the language control and how to apply it in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Coinbase website. Log into your account with your usual credentials. This process is easiest on a desktop or laptop because the language setting is clearly visible on the website's footer. If you choose to do this on mobile later, the flow may differ slightly within the app's settings, but for now we'll stick with desktop for clarity. Once you've signed in, make sure you're on the main Coinbase homepage. If you're not sure, click the Coinbase logo at the top left to return to the home screen. Being on the home page makes the next step quicker, because we know the footer elements are consistent there. Before we continue, quick note, I've placed the official website link, coinbase.com, right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct site quickly. If you prefer the mobile app, you'll also find direct download links at the top of the description. Always use official links to avoid phishing or lookalike pages. Now, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page until you reach the footer. You can drag your scroll bar or press the End key on your keyboard to jump to the bottom. The footer is where Coinbase groups general settings and site-wide options. In the footer, look for the current language display. You'll see the language name, something like English, usually near the currency selector and region options. This label is actually a control you can interact with, not just text. Click the language name to open a list of available languages. Browse the options and select your preferred language. As soon as you choose one, the page will refresh automatically. After the refresh, Coinbase will display in the language you picked. Menus, headings, and interface labels should all switch over. If anything seems mixed, it may be due to your browser's auto-translate feature. Turning that off can help you see Coinbase's built-in translation clearly. That's it. You've successfully changed your Coinbase language. If you ever want to switch again, just return to the footer and repeat the same quick process. Thanks for watching.